crafty friends. Today we are creating an easel card using Brutus Monroe products. I'm using a variety of stamps, the Remote King, Sharon Script, and the Easy Easel die. You can see there's tons of dies that come along with this. And the Retro Rewind washi sheets. Made this card pretty simple to put together. So first up, I stamped out the remote from the stamp set, and I'm using my Olu markers to color in this remote control. I'm not too familiar with Olu, so you can see that I am testing it out to find out what gray I want to use. I did get my Olu markers from Craftique, which is an online shop that I will post below, that my friend Kelly Gonzalez is the owner of. So check that out. So now you're going to go ahead and watch me color. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you in a few. Alright, so I just finished up my coloring and now we're going to get working on assembling this easel card. I have all of my pieces pre-cut and ready to assemble. So all I did here was I creased the folds on the score lines. I'm removing the adhesive and adding my mat. So now you can get an idea of how it looks if we go ahead and fold the easel card open and close. I took a washi sheets and I didn't even take it off of the adhesive back that it comes on. I just took my scallop die and placed it right on top of the washi sheet and cut out this rectangle. So I'm adhering it to the card base. And then I had this really cool oval that I cut out of mirror cardstock. It is so pretty. I used one of Christopher's techniques and placed that oval on my scoreboard and just scored a whole bunch of lines on it. Gave it some great dimension. So now I'm working on the card base. I took a piece of the washi sheets and placed it on a piece of white cardstock and then cut out another scalloped rectangle and I'm adhering it into the card base. So now I've incorporated these washi sheets in several places. On the top of the card base as well as that mat. So here I had to have a stopper, and these stoppers are die sets that come along with this Easy Easel die. And I created the stopper again using the washi sheets as the base, and I used the stamp set that came along in a stamp that says King of the Remote and stamped that right on top and added some 3D foam tape right underneath to give me my stopper element for this easel card. Right now I'm just trimming off of some excess black cardstock that I saw hanging that didn't cut very clean for my die. So yes, we have those things that happen. So I'm looking at this card and I'm saying, where am I going to put this remote? First I was thinking up and down, but I finally decided to go ahead and put it on on an angle. And of course I had to pop it up with some 3D foam tape. I'm all about dimension. So I went ahead and put this diagonally across the base and it is looking pretty good. So I stamped and embossed Happy Birthday on a piece of black cardstock. This is actually Brutus Monroe's Raven cardstock, and I used the alabaster white embossing powder, which is the best. If you haven't used it, you should try it out. And originally I was going to place it just straight across Happy Birthday, but I wasn't liking what I was seeing. So I decided to go ahead and cut that Happy Birthday right in half. And I took a look at where I wanted it and I decided to, go ahead and put it Happy up top, Birthday below, and slid it just a little bit under the side of the remote. And I think I'm liking that much better. What do you think? So once I did this, I'm just taking a look. I mean, pretty much this entire easel card is already erected. You can see it's assembled, it's looking cute, but now I just have to add some gems. So Brutus Monroe has some wonderful flat back crystals and they're all the same size. So you don't have to go through looking to find the size you want. That is one of the features that I really, really like about his crystal flat back. So I added a few to the base. I used the light pink. I used some black. And no rhyme or reason. I really didn't know where I wanted to put them. I just know I needed a lot of crystals because I'm all about that bling. So this card is coming together so nice using all of these different products. Pretty quick and simple. So as I'm adding these, I'm looking a little bit more and I'm saying, where else can I put some? Let's see. I feel like I need a few right on top of this mirror cardstock. So I already have the shine from the mirror cardstock and decided to add some light pink crystals here as well. I think that's about it for me. It is perfect. Now this Remote King stamp set can be used for a variety of occasions. I can envision it for a happy birthday, which is what I did here. Father's Day just passed. This would have been a phenomenal Father's Day card. And there are some coordinating sentiments on the stamp set that are, very specific to Father's Day. But you can use this pretty much with any sentiment. Check this out. Super cute. And it lies flat. So you can put this in your A2 size envelope and get it sent right off. So thank you guys for checking me out today. Leave me some comments and I'll talk to you soon.